How does Curse of the Pharaohs end? The Curse of the Pharaohs is a term often used to refer to the belief that anyone who disturbs the tombs or artifacts of ancient Egyptian pharaohs will be cursed with misfortune or death. It is a popular myth that has been perpetuated in literature, movies, and folklore. However, in reality, there is no historical evidence to support the existence of a supernatural curse associated with the pharaohs. The belief in the curse primarily gained popularity in the early 20th century after a series of mysterious deaths and unusual events occurred during the excavation of King Tutankhamun's tomb. To clarify, the actual ending of the Curse of the Pharaohs is that the curse itself is a fictional concept. Archaeologists and historians who have excavated ancient Egyptian tombs have not experienced any supernatural consequences as a result of their work. Subscribe our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.